another point. Yeah, another point. Another point. And I was like, what things can I do? And so I released that project, and the same day that I made it,
Where do you want to go?
I called
No, just I'm
my friend
following
who's
you.
a producer.
Point of
I know
view.
that he's done some podcasts up before. I called him and I said, hey,
Your camera's just
I
POV.
got this album, I just want you to listen. He played it, he called me back and he said, yo, you want to do a podcast for this? I said, we should do a podcast for this. My friend, she does content for other artists that are, really impactful. People like Beyonce, you see her rollouts and you see her things changing, little Easter eggs, and she does all that stuff. And I said, okay, what can I do? And I said to her, I said, hey, I just did this album, maybe you like it. She said, hey, can I help you on the content? And so I ended up reaching out to basically all people that I knew in these different areas of expertise that I thought would be valuable for, doing more artistry, getting things out there, getting more vocal. And then I made this song called BEEHIVE that I thought was very special. And again, I appreciate y'all. We're having some incredible time. Let's do, actually, I know this is crazy, but things ain't working. I mean,
He's the one that got us.
It just goes around, right? Is there anyone specific you wanted to?
No, just trying to take a landscape of all the things that look interesting, or any people. Maybe the stage where the music is.
Body or mine. I don't need nothing like that. But I fight back. I like when you feeling on me. You take it when you want me. And I can have fun with you. That's so simple. Sometimes it looks so simple. And I want to make it look simple, so I have to believe that it will be simple. I want to be with you. So on the ocean. Closer, closer, yeah. I wanna be with you, till I made it, save it. Okay, I wanna be with you. Think you running up in the morning time. Tell me what's on your mind. Call you mine, hit it like all the time. I may be working, but you know that when I get off, I'm driving 100. I need to run it, I'm screaming, my niggas will involved. Ask what are we? Shit, ask what are we? I wanna be with you, go on the ocean. Take time to grow some, maybe blow some. I should probably instead of making very this anxious or this super energetic, like I need to change my energy. I feel like I I needed to steep me in love instead of just like anxiety or excitement or whatever that was. Yeah, like this. We gon' do it big 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 like this. And that led me down this place where I felt like every song was like, it got sweeter than the last song. And I was like, listen to the lyrics. And I was like, this is probably my loveliest song. I'm not in a relationship and I'm hurt right now. I'm stressed right now. But for me changing who I was, then changed the kinds of music that I made. I thought that was very special. It changed the way that I did things, changed the way that I moved, changed the way that I interacted with the world. I thought that was very special. Yeah, like this. We gon' do it